Your third option is a summary and response of a personal essay. If you have a strong opinion on one of the issues in an essay that we've read, I think that would be a great option for you. In this paper, you'll show readers which essay you're discussing. You'll summarize the essay in a short paragraph, and then for the rest of the paper, you'll explain to readers what you think about the issue and why. So as an example, you could tell readers you're going to summarize and then respond to Aaron Blairt's How to Lose Weight in 4 Easy Steps. You'll tell the readers the key events in the essay, and that's the summary. You could write why you think the narrator is going to the gym all the time and why that's a healthy thing. So your examples would back up your point about how this writer is really doing a good thing. And then another possible example is that you could tell readers you're going to summarize and respond to Maria Yonker's Coming Out of Poverty. You'll tell readers the main storyline or main points in the essay, and then you could argue a point about poverty, whether you say poverty in the U.S. is different than the Philippines, or that it's easier to get out of poverty in the U.S. or harder. Or you could make a point that education is what gets people out of poverty. And you'd use your personal explanation and examples to make your point about why you think this. That would be the response part. So a summary includes the events or what happens in the essay, and it's short in this piece. A paragraph tops. A response includes your viewpoint on the essay. So that is the summary and response.